Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the weightage aggregate method. Under this method, different goods are weighted according to the quantity brought. Economists have different view in the respect. Should the weight be given on the basis of quantity bought in the current year, on the basis of quantity bought in the base year, or on the basis of quantity bought in the both the years? Different economists have therefore suggest different techniques of weighting. Some have the well known as method as well. First, Lespe method. Lespe used the base year quantity means Q0 as a weight of different item. His formula for estimating index number is P01 is equal to summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0 into 100. Next, Paase given the formula on the other hand use the current quantity that is Q1 as a weight, or his formula to construct the index value is P01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 upon P0 Q1 into 100. Next, Fisher method. Fisher has the combined technique of the Lespe and Paase method. He used both base year as well as current year quantity Q0 Q1 as a weight. His formula to construct the index number is P01 is equal to under root summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q1 into 100. Fisher number index number as the ideal method. The choice of method for construction of index number will depend upon the object which has a particular index number in constructed. Many formula may be used for the construction of index number, but all may not be suitable for the specific purpose in hand. Some of the important formula do not conform to certain appropriate test of constant behavior. It implies that these formula give us the best result. However, Fisher method is considered as the ideal method for constructing index number, that is P01 is equal to under root summation P1 Q0 upon summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q1 into 100. The Fisher method considered ideal method because it based on the variable weightage, and second, it take into the consideration the price of quantity of both the base year and the current year. And next, it is based on the geometric mean, that is which regarded as the best mean of calculating index number. Fourth, Fisher index number is satisfy both the time reasonable test and the factor reasonable test. The time reasonable test implies that formula for calculating index number should be such that it will give the same ratio between one point of comparison and the other, no matter which of the two taken as a base. Time reasonable means that if we change the base year to current year, vice versa, the product of the two index should be equal to unit. Thus, and index number should work both the way, forward as well backward. On the other hand, the factor result time test implies that just an formula should be permit the interchange of both the two items without giving the inconsistent result. So it ought to be permit interchange of price and quantity without giving the inconsistent result, that is two result multiplied together should be equal to the value. Next, let's take the one example. Construct the index number of the price of the item in the year 2014 from the following data by Lespe method, Paase method, and Fisher method. Here the items are given, that is A, B, C, D, E, and price there 2004 price 10, quantity 10, 35, 3, 35, 10, 20, 42, and current year price means 2014 20, 25, 40, 10, 20, 15, 8, 20, and 45. Now when we calculate, we first multiply the base quantity and the price, that is P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P1 Q0, and P1 Q1. Like that we can find out Lespe, Paase, and Fisher method.